To be, êTRE. So in our last lesson, we started learning the verb êTRE. We learned how to say je suis. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say you are, the informal you. So you are, in French, when you are addressing someone that you know well, when you're addressing someone informally, you will say tu es, tu es, tu es, tu es. Notice I'm not pronouncing the consonant at the end of the verb here, so simply tu es, you are. You are, tu es. You are, tu es. You are, tu es. Nice, sympa, nice, sympa. If you want to give someone a compliment and say you are nice, you would say tu es sympa, tu es sympa. Remember, you only use tu with someone you know well, a friend or a family member. Tu es sympa. You're nice. Tu es sympa. Okay, so let's review. To be, remember the infinitive to be. Être, you are. Tu es, nice, sympa. Pleasant, agréable, funny, drôle, optimistic, optimiste, pessimistic, pessimiste. If you want to tell someone you're nice, you would say tu es sympa, tu es sympa. You're pleasant, tu es agréable. You're funny, tu es drôle. You're optimistic, tu es optimiste. You're pessimistic, tu es pessimiste. Okay, and remember the adjectives that have masculine and feminine forms. So if you're addressing a male, when you say tu, if the person you're talking to is a male, then you would use the masculine forms of the adjective. So you would say, for you are fun, tu es amusant, tu es amusant. You're brilliant, tu es brillant, tu es brillant. You're tired, tu es fatigué, tu es fatigué. If you're addressing a female, then you would say, for you are fun, tu es amusante, tu es amusante. You're brilliant, tu es brillante, tu es brillante. You're tired, tu es fatigué, tu es fatigué. And again, notice the difference in the sound between the masculine and the feminine. In the case of fun, amusant, amusante, amusant, amusante, amusant, amusante. Brilliant, brillant, brillante, brillant, brillante. For fatigué, there is no difference in the sound. Fatigué, 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 fatigué. If you were to write tu es fatigué down, remember that you would have to add the extra E. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. To continue, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.